Hi, I'm Jim Elser, Sweet Smoke Q. Today we're going to do some low and slow sweet smoked St. Louis ribs. Okay, today we're going to take a spare rib, trim it down to a St. Louis cut rib. First thing we're going to do is we're going to trim this end off, cut this breastbone off, flip it over, take the silver skin off. Season the ribs, bone side and meat side, with your favorite rub. Let them sit for at least an hour, 2 hours in the fridge. Once it's removed from the fridge, place it on the grill at 275. We're looking at an hour 45 to 2 hours before it needs to be wrapped. But every 20 minutes from the beginning, you want to spritz it with apple juice. That's adding moisture in that. It's time to wrap. We're going to add the sugar in the raw, some agave, some butter, and add a little bit of apple juice. Plus, we're going to add a little bit more of that rub. Loosely wrap these ribs. We don't want to put that foil against the rib. We want that steam to go through the whole package. After it's wrapped, we'll put it back on the grill for another hour. After that, we're going to rotate that meat side up, bone side down, and re-wrap. Now, at this point, it's going to take 2 hours, probably at the most, to get them tender. It's time to glaze them. I like to glaze the ribs with my favorite barbecue sauce, Sweet Smoke sweet sauce, but you can use your favorite barbecue sauce. And we're going to put them back into the smoker at 250 to 275 for about 10 minutes. We're going to pull the ribs off, put them on your cutting board. I like to flip them upside down so you can see the bones. So take your knife and slice in between the bones. Start handing them out to your friends. There you have it, St. Louis style ribs right out of the smoker.